Everyone says the same thing in January. This is my year. But then March hits, and nothing's different. Not because life is unfair, but because you haven't changed. You're still hoping for motivation to save you, still waiting for the perfect mood. But what if I told you, you don't need a new year, you need a new standard? Let's call it out. You don't have potential. You have patterns. You're not inconsistent because you're broken. You're inconsistent because you tolerate it. You say you want results, but your actions scream comfort. You crave discipline, but live in distraction. And every excuse you make, it becomes your identity. You're not tired. You're undisciplined. There's a difference. Here's the truth. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your identity. If deep down you still see yourself as the lazy one, you'll always return to that version. So change the label. Not "I'm trying to eat healthy." I'm someone who takes care of their body. Not "I want to be focused." I'm a person who executes no matter how I feel. Your habits follow who you believe you are. Shift that, and everything else changes. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency when it's boring. That's what separates the winners. They don't wait to feel ready. They move tired. They move scared. They move anyway. Make it impossible to fail. Set a non-negotiable wake-up time. 1 hour a day of focused work. No distractions. Nightly self-audit. No fluff, just truth. Success isn't a leap. It's a brick, laid every single day. You know what's harder than discipline? Regret. Regret of wasted years. Regret of being the same person you swore you'd outgrow. Fast forward 6 months. Where will you be if nothing changes? Still tired? Still complaining? Or will you look back and say, that was the moment I flipped the switch? The grind isn't punishment, it's self-respect. 2025 doesn't owe you a breakthrough. You owe yourself a standard. So lock in. Not tomorrow. Now. Turn off the noise. Do the hard thing. And remember, you don't need more time. You just need to stop wasting it.